plot a point, parentheses, in geometry, and parentheses. First go the x-axis distance, then the y-axis distance, and draw a solid dot. A point in geometry is an x location and a y location. Together the x and y location defines a two-dimensional, parentheses, horizontal and vertical, and parentheses, location. By defining multiple points, a graph can be produced of a straight line, a curve, or of a shape. Given an example point of parentheses 3, 2, and parentheses, to plot the point, proceed out to the right from the origin 3 on the x-axis, then up 2, and place a point, a solid dot. Note that the language used is, quote, plot a point, end quote. Frustratingly, the word plot has multiple meanings and therefore can cause confusion in students' minds. Parentheses, a plot of land is an area of land, and in English, a plot is a storyline. Students learning English as a second language can have issues with the use of the word, quote, plot, end quote, in parentheses. A point in geometry is the convergence of an x location and a y location in the format of parentheses x, y, and parentheses. To plot a point in geometry, go the required distance on the x-axis, then on the y-axis, and draw a solid dot. Related words: Cartesian Coordinate System, x-axis, y-axis, origin, number line.